Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean family. Go ahead and subscribe down below. For today's video, I'm going to do a hairstyle for you guys. As you guys can see, my hair is dry. I'm trying to do my hair in a dry state for this style, so it was already washed and I had it in some braids for it to stretch a little bit, but I didn't comb it out fully, so as you guys can see, it still has some tangles, but that's okay. So for this hairstyle, first thing I'm going to do is to create a small square parting in the front that will be later style. So I'm just gonna put it away from the rest of my hair, so I'm just gonna braid it down and then clip it away. Now for this hairstyle, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Basically anybody can do it, and when I say anybody, anybody can do it, you feel me? Okay, so basically what it's going to be is a ponytail with a side bang type of situation. Now if you guys have thick 4 type hair and your hair is more on the short awkward length stage, you know the process of trying to get your hair into a ponytail. So even if you have long thick 4 type hair, it still is a process of sectioning your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put my hair into sections to do my ponytail. Now I've done ponytails on my channel quite a few times, so it's basically the same technique. Sections in the front, sections in the back, and then start from the middle, then go from there. So that's basically what I'm doing. It's my basic technique, nothing new. Now for the edge control that I'll be using, it's the EBIN 24-hour hold edge tamer, and I tried this edge control in my trying the best edge control video, and somebody recommended for me to use the edge control on dry hair. So that's basically what I'm trying to do, to see if I can get my hair into a sleek ponytail with the edge control with my hair dry. So I'm using this 2-sided brush. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. I'm using the hard part of the brush to brush it in, and so far it's really smooth. Like the edge control is working right now. Okay, like it's doing what it needs to do. Now also I was gonna spray a little bit of water on my hair just to get it to move a little bit more, but I couldn't find my spray bottle. So some part of this video I did stop the video to like rush into the bathroom, wet the brush, then wet my hair a little, since I couldn't exactly do it on camera because I didn't have my spray bottle. I don't know where it went. So yeah, that's basically it. So I did stop the video at some point to just add a little bit of water, because since I couldn't take the dryness, like my head top, they just too dry, they need a little bit of water. So now I'm just removing the sides that I put away, and so my hair feels slick enough, so it's time to put those sections in as well. And I'm just going to use the edge control again, use this tail comb to smoothen the edge control in, just to comb it in. Guys, you know the basic step, and then I'm going to finish up my hair and put it in the ponytail. Now with my hair in a bun, I'm going to smooth it out a little bit more by adding a little bit more edge control. And guys, with my hair fully cleansed of any other product, the edge control was perfect. It didn't flake, thank you God. And then I'm using the Cream of Nature mousse, and this is just to help with flyaways. Some people use the Got to Be Glued freezing spray also, so you can use any little technique that you have to help with their flyaways. Even with the best of the best edge control, sometimes you do get flyaways. So I like to use a really good mousse. Usually I'd use Afro G, but I'm all out of the Afro mousse. I'm using my Cream of Nature mousse, and then I'm going to tie down the ponytail with a molding wrap, and you can get your molding wrap at your local beauty supply store. Okay, now for the ponytail that I'll be adding. This is from BetterLength, and I have used this ponytail quite a couple of times. So it's a drawstring ponytail. My ponytail is missing the drawstring because I don't know how I got the whole thing out, so I'm gonna use bobby pins to pin down the ponytail basically. So I don't know if I pulled too hard, or I didn't realize that one side was longer than the other. Then I tried to pull the string and the whole thing just came out. So yeah, I'm just gonna use the bobby pins to do that. And I love BetterLength clip-in. They have different texture for different natural hair, and it's so easy. I love that it's reusable, like over and over and over again. Like I keep stressing how of a good investment getting clip-ins and natural hair ponytails are, because you have these things for years and you can do all different types of hairstyles with your ponytail and clip-ins. So basically, to do this bun, I want it to be a messy curly bun. I didn't want it to be too uniformed or too tight. So basically what I'm trying to do is gather it up together and then use some bobby pins to just neat it up a little bit more but still make it messy. So just play around with your bun until you get it to how you want it. Just make it yours, make it your style, I guess. So that's what I'm trying to do, just to make it still be messy but neat at the same time. So I'm just going to use a couple of bobby pins just to do that. Play with the curls some, play with the bun itself, try to move it in a certain type of way. Like, sis, just work your bun. Okay. Now after I've done that, I'm going to move on to the next step, which is the very front. And I'm going to try to define my hair by also adding some clip-ins. So this is the length of my hair in the front, but even with my hair defined and after it's dry, it shrinks. So I know my hair, it needs some volume also. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie Don't Shrink gel, and also I'm using this on dry hair. You can also wet your hair if you want. The gel works fine on my dry hair. Like, usually all types of gel come out white on my hair, then it dries clear if it's a really good gel that doesn't flake, which this one is. So I'm just going to define my hair some and then add clip-ins as I go. And for the clip-ins, also from BetterLength, I've used them a couple of times. And if your wefts are too long, if you want, you can like cut the shorter wefts into pieces. That's what I did. I used about I think I used like 4 pieces. I used two with 2 combs, and then I use wefts with like 1 comb in it. Okay guys, now this is my final look along with my makeup and my earrings. I am totally feeling this look. It's super easy, super just simple. You know, if you want to do it a little bit different, go ahead, make it yours. All the details that you'll need for this ponytail and clip-in will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. I love you guys so much for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.